Hello everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living. This video is brought to you by Green Hippies. Alright guys, now I have an interesting problem. I'm not showing y'all the standard building, but I have an interesting problem with this particular building. This is more for advanced. See, there's not much there. Right there. Here. So anyway, what I'm doing here is this is the 16-foot high greenhouse. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to build that upper wall. See if I can temporarily build scaffold there and put the second floor there and the roof and the rafters and everything, and go ahead and finish that. Then take the scaffold up, and then it'll be the open 16-foot greenhouse again. Hey, do me a favor though, hit the subscribe button because it lets us know you care. Thank you, appreciate that. Hit the bell and the notification and the thumbs up. Also, let me see if I can get a better view. Now, that's a better view. You see there, I haven't finished this in part, nor have I finished the upper rafters. I love that because there's nothing to stand on there. Just open air. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how we fix that problem. I'm going to build a temporary scaffold. I'm going to go ahead and build that wall, build the rafters and stuff like that. So, and then once I've done with all that, then I can take the scaffold down, and then the 16-foot high greenhouse will be right back where it was.
That's the last piece of the puzzle, isn't it, my love?
Yeah.
This is the temporary floor to the 2-story greenhouse, and this is for the windows. Now we only have the roof of that part. Otherwise, we are complete. Yep, my hero. So Daniel, can you give us an update? What's going on? Yay! We got the biggest metal roof parties on. And yeah, it's full metal party. No, it's not. Well, it was a little heavy metal, but this one is pretty light, the one coming up now. Let me see if I can move around here so I can show a little bit. What do you think, Rachel? Isn't this awesome? Oh, it's pretty tall, isn't it? Okay, can I get the hole? Look at him.
Walk on the king, you'll get hurt.
Yeah. Yes, it's a beautiful color, isn't it? I know, John Henry. Same color as the sky. Gallery blue. Hawaiian blue. Gallery blue. It's pretty cool. Okay, so the west wall is the kitchen, and there's gonna be a wall in front of there, which is gonna be the heading for the bed. So the bed. Okay.